All right, friends. Hello. Happy Tuesday. We are going to look at our vocabulary words and our high frequency words for the week. So remember, our vocabulary words are words that we need to know in order to help us understand what's happening in a story. And it's just really important that we have a nice bank or word bank of words that we know the meaning to so that we can write about it, we can read it, and it helps us just understand the world and understand things better. Okay, so we're going to look at our vocabulary words for the story that we are going to read this week, and then we're going to look at our new high frequency words and review the ones from last week. Okay, so make sure that you have your journal, something to write with, and we are going to draw a picture, and then we're going to write the words in our journals. Okay? So if you have to pause this video, then I want you to take the time to do that, and I will tell you a good time to do that. Okay? All right, our first word is library. Can you say the word library? Yes, a library. What is a library? Do you know what a library is? Sorry, I was getting a drink of water. The library is a magical place, right? We have a library in our school, but a library is a place where we get to go and check out books. And that means check out means that we get to borrow the book, and then we can take it home and read it, and then we have to bring it back, right? When we borrow something, we're taking it and bringing it back. But a library, you do lots of things at libraries. Can you think of some things that you might be able to do at a library? Yeah, like I said, you can read books. We check out books. There are actually other things that you can do at a library too. And we're going to look at some of those other things. But our first word is library. So make sure that you're on a blank page in your journal, and you are going to draw a picture of the library, and then I want you to write the word library, and we're going to draw what it means. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video if you need to, and let's look at the next word. Librarian. Our next word is librarian. So we have library and librarian. What do you think a librarian is? Or who do you think a librarian is? Yeah, a librarian is the person who runs the library. Okay, they are very helpful. So if you look at the picture, our librarian is right here, and what is he doing? Yeah, he's getting them books, right? Librarians help us find books to do research. They help us find books to read. Sometimes they read to us because they want, us to enjoy listening to stories. They organize all of the books, right, by title. Sometimes they do it in alphabetical order. Sometimes they do it based off of the topic or the genre, the type of books. But a librarian is the person who works in the library. And they're very helpful people, right? They help us find books. So if you go into a library and you want to check out a book or you're looking for a book, you will be talking to a librarian, and the librarian is the person who will help you. So go ahead and add that word librarian in your journal and draw a picture, and you may pause this video to do that. All right, let's move on to our next vocabulary word. Computers. Do you know what a computer is? We have computers in our classroom, and we do all types of different things on computers, right? So you actually can find computers in a library. And if you go to the public library, they have computers where people can go and they can print stuff. You can work on an assignment or an activity. So if you don't have a computer at home or you don't have internet at home, then you can go to the library and you can check out a time slot. So they give you a certain amount of time where you can work on a computer. So whatever, if there's something that you need to do on a computer, then you can actually do that at the library. So this is a computer, right? We use computers. Some of you are using computers right now to do online learning, right? And we also have them in our class, but we use them to do research. We use them to play games. We use them to communicate with people so we can send emails. Some of your parents have social media like Facebook and stuff like that. So computers do a lot of things, but we can find computers and we can use them at the library. Okay, so I want you to pause this video, write the word computers, and then add a picture of what the word means underneath it. And let's look at our last word of the week. And that is a movie. Did you know that not only can you check out books, not only can you use computers at the library, but you can also check out movies. Okay? What is a movie? Yeah, we watch movies a lot, don't we? Okay? So you can actually check out a movie or borrow a movie from the library. They have all types of movies. They have movies that teach us stuff, like that give us information. They have movies that just entertain us, the different types of movies. But you can check out movies at the library. So go ahead and draw a picture of what a movie looks like or what a movie is, and write the word movie. Good, so let's go over our words. We've got library, librarian, computers, and movie. And you should have these words written down inside of your journal. And if you do not, go ahead and pause this video right now and write the word and draw an illustration of what the word means. Now that you have your words written down, let's look at what you have to do for your assignment today. Okay, so we're going to be looking at these words all week this week because our story of the week has something to do with going to the library. It's an informational text, so we're going to be learning about informational text this week. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your My View book, and it says you can use pictures and words to help us learn the meaning of new words. So we were looking at these words. We've got library, movie, librarian, and computer. So we've talked about what these words mean, and we're going to spend more time reviewing what these words mean. But your job is to grab your My View book and open to page 116, which is right here. And we're going to look at the word, and then we're going to draw a line to the picture, to the meaning, what the word means. So the first one's already done for you. So here is the word library, and you're going to trace the line and draw a line to the picture. So this is a picture of the library. This is what that word library means. Okay? The next word is movie. Where is the movie picture at? Yeah, right here, right? These are the movies. So you're going to draw a line from movie all the way to the picture movie. Good. Librarian. Do you remember what the librarian is? Yep, the librarian is the person who works in the library, right? So we're going to draw a line from the word librarian to the picture. And then the last word is computers. Which picture shows computers? Yeah, this one right here. So you would draw a line directly to the computers. So that is what you're going to do for your assignment today for our vocabulary words. We're going to match them. And when we meet together, we're going to pick a word and we're going to write a sentence about that word. Okay? Awesome. So that's what your assignment is. And now let's take a look at our high frequency words for the week. Okay? Let's review first. We know this word, right? What is this word? The word I. Good. Like I am Mrs. McClure. What's this word? Do you remember this one? Am. Very, very good. That's the word am. What about this word? The, like the boy ran fast. Very, very good. What's this word? The word a. This was one of our words from last week. Do you remember this word? To, like I am going to the movies. To. And another word from last week is like. Like I like my teacher. I like being in kindergarten. Like. Good. We're going to look at 3 new words to add to our high frequency words this week. Okay, so here's the first word. What is this word? Do you know this word? Have you seen this word before? If not, that's okay. This is the word he. Like he is my best friend. He. Can you think of a sentence that you could use with the word he? He is running fast. He is running slow, right? He, and let's spell it. It's H-E spells he. What's this word? He. What is this word? He. Very good. Let's look at the next word. This is the word is. Is. Like there is school tomorrow. There is going to be a parade, right? Is. Can you think of a sentence with the word is? Good. Is. And let's spell it. I-S. Is. What's that word? Is. What's that word? Is. And let's look at our last word. This is the word have. Like I have $2 in my pocket. Have. Can you think of a sentence with the word have? Have you ever been to the zoo? Have. Very good. And let's spell it. It says H-A-V-E. And there's a little song that I like to teach my students, and it goes like this. It goes, H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. Okay, and that's kind of how I taught my students last year to remember how to spell the word have. So what's that word? Have. What's that word? Have. Very good. So we're going to flip through those high frequency words real fast and see if you remember them. So what's this word? Have. Good. What's this word? Is. What's this word? He. We're going to flip through them one more time. These 3 new words. What's this word? He. What's this word? Is. And what is this word? Have. And let's go backwards through all of our words. So we've got have. What is this word? Have. What is this word? Is. What is this word? He. What is this word? Like. What's this word? To. A. The. Very good. Am. And I. So we're going to spend some time looking at those 3 new words, he, is, and have. Good job today.